Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and today we're going to do another box from RJ Bushcraft. It's a nice hefty sized box. What we're going to do is we'll take everything out, we'll look at the prices, and then we'll take it from there, and then you can make your own mind up. Right, so let's have a look inside. So here's the paperwork. So we got a Van Gogh flask. A Van Gogh pouch there. I'll do a close-up in a minute, I just want to get it all out, so it's a bit of a shorter video. Got a nice Van Gogh mug, so at least we're getting some name brand stuff now. Got a Trangier gas thing. We got some food, vegetable chili and ginger pudding, so that's some food there. Ooh, cool. Nice. We got a nice Halfter knife. This is the heavy duty. Really nice handle on it. Nice and thick. We got the bungees. I guess these go through the top hole and then wrap around to that if you want to do a peg or something. But I've seen these being used before. And then we got a Trangier set, like that one. So what we'll do is we'll get you a close-up of the items now and prices. Okay, here are the prices that follows. That Van Gogh mug there is £8. The flask is £8. The 2 meals are £6.50 each. The survival hip belt, that is £8. The fuel bottle is priced up at £14. The Trangier cook set is priced up at £35. The heavy duty knife here is £12. And then you have a little survival bucket for £2 and elastic ties are £3, giving you a total of £103 in value for an £85 box. I'm excited about using the Trangier and the knife. Food's always handy. The flask and the mug will come in handy, and I got to check out that survival pouch, see if I might be able to wear it to work. So that's what's in this month's RJ box. Don't forget to check out my Facebook group, Prepper in the Woods. And also, guys, remember that I have slight control of what I get from RJ. I tell him, you know, I just mention to him what do I have, what do I need, and kind of stuff, and he tries to accommodate for that in a subscription box, which is quite handy, and not many people do that. So if you're interested in a box and say, yeah, I need this, this, and this, you know, so I'm lacking that in my kit, you know, he'll try to work it with you for that, which is another thing. I think it's a good box this month. The value is definitely always there. The Trangier one I'm interested in using because I got the polymath one last month, so I'm getting into now these meth stoves now, so I'll try that. Now overall, like I said, the value is there, so I'm happy with that one. Guys, check out my Instagram account. Don't forget to subscribe, and please like, share, subscribe. Ooh, I said that twice. But thanks guys for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.